Yun. Say what?
Make everyone happy.
Alright, we want to make everybody happy tonight. Alright, so, kanina naman, who do you want to dedicate this set for?
For all the audience.
To all the single boys. To all the single boys in the crowd tonight, this set is for you. DJ, bring that beat back. Come on. Come on. Angela City, show me how you rock this shit. Yeah. Come on. Shampoo. Come on, everybody. How about another big round of applause for contestant number 2? Ingat lang, huwag mo lalaglag. So what? Jason Blue is in the area. We got the most liveliest people in the place. Inumin mo na! Inumin mo na, Jason Blue. Napakasarap. What? Say, you make me. Alright, give it up for contestant number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Oy, salamat. Stay put lang kayo dyan, mga kapatid.